Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, or if you're watching this at a later date, it'll be known as Keith Condensed. So if you're new and watching this at a later date, feel free to join me on the live stream. I run it in the mornings, which is like a gaming live stream, and then at night, which is my investing live stream. And I cover multiple different topics and also open it up to a Q&A at the very end. So feel free to join me, get some questions answered, hang out, have a good time, talk investments. The whole month of August, I will be covering article reviews. I will be covering different topics, different news-related finance articles. So anyways, today I want to specifically address Weight Watchers International, stock ticker WTW. Stock falls on Q2 subscriber drop. And if you see me looking over here, it's because that's where the article is. But let's go ahead and take a look. On the screen here, this is the article. It's written by, it's on Yahoo Finance, written by Carl from the Investor's Place. I feel like pretty reputable, source. So anyways, I reported the latest quarterly earnings results, and their subscribers have fell year over year, which basically sent the shares tumbling. This year, they did take a net income of $70 million, $70.7 million, basically a earnings per share of $1.01, which is, better than it was a year ago, which was at $45.2 million or 67 cents per share. However, I think that the issue that a lot of investors are concerned with is the growth coming from Weight Watchers. As you can tell, they responded like that because you get subscriptions falling. It's like if you think about it, you have a Twitter company, and Twitter's no longer. Or we'll just go ahead and Snapchat's hot topic. Let's just go ahead and throw Snapchat right under the bus. Say Snapchat does not grow anymore; they just stay the same. They don't get any more subscribers; they just stay exactly the same. Or we'll say even drop subscribers, or don't get as many as they had in years in prior months. And you've been buying because, hey, you know what? Maybe they'll get the same amount of growth they've had or more. And because they didn't, that's going to cause the shares to decrease because that's not what you had expected, or that's not what you were betting on. So, it's completely understandable for that to happen. Yeah, so the stocks fell 3.5% on Monday, close of the bell. So, that's like super recent news. And the shares gained about 1% during the trading hours. So, if you did a little bit of quick day trade, you probably could turn around 1% profit, but that's not really that good, honestly. For me personally, would I take a gamble on Weight Watchers? Is Weight Watchers a company that maybe I would look into investing in? Again, guys, this is my personal opinion, so take it for what it is, a personal opinion. Don't take it for hey, go buy it because coach says it's great. Just go do it. Or coach says don't go buy it. Okay, well, that doesn't mean it's going to rise. That means it's just going to continue to drop. No, that's not what it means at all. I'm just stating my personal opinion from an outsider looking in at Weight Watchers. For me personally, I don't see much growth coming from Weight Watchers. I remember in 2008, 2009, even before that, 2006, 2007, there were tons of Weight Watchers locations popping up all over the place. There was storefronts of Weight Watchers. They were putting Weight Watchers points on different snacks, entree, frozen dishes, and all that kind of stuff. They clearly had some of their best growth, I think, around that era. Now, I know last year or 2 years ago, they brought on Oprah, I believe Oprah, to be the front runner of the company to kind of help them out. And I think that it definitely helped them boost their subscribers, the people that are coming to Weight Watchers. However, I don't think that this is a diet, a plan that people are having much success on. And I would say maybe not success, I would say is the wrong word. Maybe it's not the most enjoyable diet that they are finding right now. Maybe the point system is not I know from the standpoint of hey, I can go have a Twinkie and it's this many points, and I could have 13 Twinkies that day, and that's all I could have. And yeah, you would lose weight because you're not eating any food. But as far as a nutritional standpoint, maybe they made adjustments, and I'm living in the past of Weight Watchers. That's kind of the same setup the way it is right now. It doesn't make it more healthy because you go eat Twinkies every single day and now you weigh 120 pounds instead of weighing 150 to 200 pounds. It still means that you're just eating Twinkies every single day and that you weigh less. You look better, but here, have a Twinkie. That's my personal opinion. I just don't see growth that can happen. Here in the States, I don't know what online looks like for them, if there's a better feature online, because again, this is coming from like 2006, 2007, when I had some family members involved with Weight Watchers, so I kind of understood a little bit more what's going on. I've been with Drew for about 10 years from now. So, I mean, maybe they have like apps and stuff like that now that are making it more reasonable and a lot easier for you to stay in control of your diet. The way that it was set up prior to that, I mean, I don't know. I just don't see much growth coming from there. It's not a buzz topic anymore like it was in years past. So maybe that's something that they'll be able to do, is create a buzz diet again and thus booster the growth. However, I think that that's kind of ran its course. Product life cycle, I would say, is done. And for me, it's not something that I would look into getting into. So that's my personal opinion right there. I would love to know your thoughts about Weight Watchers. Are you currently holding them? If so, why? If you're looking to buy them, why? If you're not looking to buy them, why? Post it down in the comments right now or throw it up in the live stream. Anyways, guys, it's your boy, Coach Keith. Thank you for turning up. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.